Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can join a tournament in chess.com. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on the main page of the site. And what I'm going to do to join a tournament is go and hover over the play button. You can click it and then from there you can navigate to tournaments, but just hovering over it and clicking tournaments is easier. You just want to click that. And as you can see, now you have upcoming live tournaments and upcoming daily tournaments, and you can join whichever one you want. Now, I'm not sure why there is not a join button for these couple of tournaments, these five rather, but it is what it is. However, you can join whichever tournament over here that you want. As you can see, it tells you the name of the tournament as well as the type of game you are playing. This is King of the Hill Swiss. These three are, well, just normal chess from 10-0 to 30-0, and this is Blitz chess, which is 5 or 3 minutes per person. And all you have to do, just click join, and you'll be joined into the tournament, and that is pretty much it. Then you click join again, and then you're good. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.